Bangladesh is a very warm country. We came to Canada, it was summer, but soon it began to get colder. I would never wearing anything heavy around the winter. I had no idea how cold it could get have. One time I went out to pick up my daughter from the school bus. I wore a light jacket and thin pant and sandal. One lady waiting for bus stopped me in this tier and she asked, "Why are you wearing sandal? Don't you know you might get frostbite?" I have never made the same mistake again other than this.